Hey everyone, as an occupational hygiene consultancy, we have carried out thousands of noise risk assessment surveys over the last 10 years, and in the vast majority of cases, hearing protection devices are used as a primary form of control. In the next 5 minutes, I want to briefly explore some more effective alternatives for controlling noise exposure. The selection of hearing protection devices can be a minefield. They come in all shapes and sizes and are heavily reliant on consistent and correct usage. In most cases, a device is selected that heavily overprotects the user, which can lead to isolation, additional health and safety issues, and reluctancy to wear them consistently. Over the last 15 years, the number of new noise-induced hearing loss cases have risen significantly from 2,000 per year to over 11,000, and on average hearing loss claims are in the region of £30,000 to £45,000 per case. These statistics demonstrate that current controls to prevent noise exposure are not effective. As you can see from the hierarchy of control, PPE, which in the case of noise exposure is a hearing defender, would be the least effective control. The most effective control would be to eliminate or reduce the noise levels in the environment. So, some good examples of substitution and elimination are things like replacing electric tools with pneumatic alternatives, using hydraulic presses instead of mechanical, replacing gear drives with belt drives, using presses rather than hammers, using helical spurs in gear teeth, welding instead of riveting. Some good examples of modification controls are remote controlling noisy equipment, layout modifications to separate noisy and non-noisy areas, change from impact pressure to progressive pressure, reduce drop heights, change air jet nozzles to noise reducing compound nozzles, and add flexible couplings to pipework to reduce vibration noise. Other effective controls worth considering are installation of acoustic walls, ceilings or enclosure blankets, the addition of isolation mounts to equipment to reduce vibration noise, adding silencers to engine exhaust pipes, using larger, slower cooling fans in motors, good maintenance, lubrication or replacement of worn parts for machinery, and ensuring rotating equipment is correctly balanced. As you can see, there are multiple options for reducing noise levels that, if applied effectively, may reduce the need for hearing protection altogether, or at least the risk and reliance on them. Thank you for watching, and see you again soon.